Two ultimate craftsmanship of Velcro. There is always one that fits your needs. Still fretting over choosing Velcro? Starting from the production source, we offer you two professional solutions. Woven Velcro, the classic choice. It is precisely woven with high-density nylon yarn, and the hook surface and the loop surface can be opened and closed repeatedly for over 10,000 times. Soft and fit, suitable for clothing, shoes, and hats, medical protective gear, and other intimate applications. It is suitable for sewing and fitting, gentle and strong, injection-molded hooks, industrial blade strength. It is integrally injection molded with precise, uniform hook shape, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistant, and strong biting without snagging. It is specially designed for heavy-duty scenarios such as automotive interiors, toolboxes, and outdoor equipment. Even in vibrating or humid environments, it remains rock solid. Whether it is the delicacy of weaving or the flatness of the injection molded hooks, we adhere to full quality control and material environmental protection. Tell us your usage scenario and we recommend